Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW guys E46 and we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the front fog lights guys. Okay, fog lights right here. We guys have more than 200 videos on a BMW E46. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can by providing all these videos to you guys. All we need in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Now this should work for the whole generation from year 1998 all the way until 2006. So let me explain guys what needs to be done. All the tools and parts including the replacement fuses will be listed in the description of the video below. So let's go ahead and show you where the fuses are now. So we need to go inside guys, on the passenger side, right here. Open the door. Okay, like that. Open the door and we'll need to guys go ahead and open the glove box now. Okay, right here. And once we open the glove box, okay, we're going to go ahead. Okay, and right here we have, okay, we have two white things, okay, that we need to turn towards the outside. And once you do that guys, okay, your your fuse box will drop down. Okay, you can see just like that guys. And what you're looking for now, okay, you're looking now guys for fuse, okay, fuse number 38. You can see on top you have the fuse numbers printed here on the border, okay, there engraved in the plastic. So fuse number 38 guys, okay, will be the very first fuse on the left side, okay, right here. This is the fuse that we're talking about. So that's the fog light fuse guys. How you remove it? Okay, you grab the puller, okay, pull it out like that, get on top of the fuse, squish down and pull it out. This is the fuse. Now all the replacement fuses guys, all that will be listed in the description of the video below guys for your convenience. Please check it out later. Okay, all we need to do now, I need to grab it with my right hand to install this one. Okay, because it's next to the big fuses, so it's a little bit hard to align everything. Don't forget guys to install your fuse puller. Okay, it goes down with the white thing down. Okay, like that. Close your box now and we're going to go ahead, okay, close the glove box and pretty much guys this is the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel guys for more videos. If you have any specific problem, drop a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.